Hello everyone! Today we will be discussing about Chapter 14, Support and Movement in Humans and Animals. However, we will only be talking about subtopic 14.3, Movement and Locomotion, specifically the human legs. There's a lot more, but we're only going to talk about the legs. Now, the bones that will be involved in our discussion today are the tibia and the femur. Next, movement and locomotion. Are they the same thing? They are, but at the same time, they're not. Because movement leans more to moving around, or in this topic, bending your leg. Whereas locomotion means to move from one place to another. Moving on, these are some biological terms that you have to come familiar with before diving further into today's topic, which are the flexor, extensor, and antagonistic muscle. And I believe that in the previous subtopic, we have learned what antagonistic muscles are. So therefore, I won't elaborate any further. On the other hand, flexor means to bend, whereas extensor means to extend, or in another word, to straighten, untuk menegakkan. Next, these are common sense, but these are also one of the few terms that I will use in today's video, which are the ball of the foot and the heel of the foot. Next is the calf muscles, and please do ignore the other terms and just only focus on calf muscles, which extends from the tibia to the tarsals. Next is the tibialis, which are located at the front part of your legs. The difference between calf muscles and tibialis is their positioning. Calf muscles is at the back, whereas tibialis is at the front. And that concept also applies to biceps and quadriceps femoris. That's about it. Okay. Now, this is where the action of antagonistic muscle actually begins. When conducting locomotion of the feet, of the leg, the right calf muscles will contract and your heel akan ternaik. Dia macam angkat kaki. In other words, raising your foot from ground. Then, your ball of the foot will be pushed against ground. Dia akan menyentuh the ground, you know? At the same time, your biceps femoris, which is at the second picture, your biceps femoris will contract, which leads your leg to bend at knee joint. Dia akan, macam mana nak cakap Dia akan macam terpleot gitu. Okay. So, at the third picture, at that moment, your right leg has already been lifted from ground. So, kaki kanan you akan dah ternaik, dah diangkat. So from observation here, you can already make out that your body weight akan transfer from your right leg to your left leg to support, sebab your left leg is still on the ground. Then, your quadriceps femoris, which is the extensor in this case, will contract to straighten your legs. Dia akan menegakkan balik kaki you so that you can stand. You can stand on the other leg. And this process will continue over and over again for as long as you walk. For as long as you walk, bro. Literally. To make you understand more about this particular topic, we've prepared a question that's not too hard to answer. So, we will discuss about it now. Feel free to pause the video if need to jot down. Diagram 10.1 shows a human leg movement from position X to position Y. Position X is the before and position Y is the after. A. Based on diagram 10.1, explain the function of joint T. Now, before answering, let's observe diagram 10.1 to see what we're working with. Joint T is located near the hip joints of the body, which also happens to be near the femur. So we can come to a conclusion that joint T is a ball and socket joint, and you can always refer to your textbook, page 271, if you've forgotten what ball and socket joint does. Technically, it just allows rotational movements in all directions. Now that we've settled with A1, let's look at the second one. Describe the action of muscles, bones, and tendons during Y position. So, not only that we've observed that joint T is a ball and socket joint, but we can also observe that in position X, the individual seemed to have his biceps femoris contract, whereas in position Y, where individual seem more relaxed is because the biceps femoris is relaxed. So we can conclude that R is biceps femoris, and the antagonistic of it is the quadriceps femoris, which is S. So in this position Y, it is obvious that the muscles will act antagonistically. Quadriceps femoris muscles will then contract and produce a pulling force to the tibia that's transmitted by the tendon. And like I said before, the biceps femoris will relax and the tibia will be pulled forward from a bent position to a straightened position, basically from X to Y. Then, last but not least, tibialis will contract to pull down at the heel and you will be standing straight. The individual will then be standing straight. I repeat. So that is all for me. And these are the answers. If you can pause the video if needed. So thank you very much.